Get precise temperature control with Air Sous Vide. Air Sous Vide uses precisely controlled temperature and airflow to lock in flavor and moisture for yummy, perfectly cooked meals in your Frigidaire wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. With the touch of a button, our patented Air Sous Vide technology locks in flavor and moisture without the use of water, ensuring tenderness without overcooking. How does it work? In Air Sous Vide cooking, food is vacuum sealed in plastic pouches, which are then placed in a cooking medium of hot air. Hot air circulates around the sealed pouch to cook food slowly at relatively low temperatures. Unlike most ovens that can't go below 170 degrees Fahrenheit, Air Sous Vide in your Frigidaire wall oven can hold constant temperature between 100 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow cooking. To begin, touch oven modes and scroll to slow cook. Then choose Air Sous Vide from the submenu. The display will show 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius by default. Set the desired temperature for your food and touch Start. Open the plastic pouch and remove the food to serve. Curious what foods you can use Air Sous Vide for? The precisely controlled heat and airflow of Air Sous Vide is great for dishes like juicy pork and poultry, perfectly cooked steaks, flavorful fish and seafood. In addition to versatility of use, Air Sous Vide cooking comes with many advantages, such as your food doesn't lose flavor or aroma due to evaporation. Vitamins and minerals don't escape during cooking. Low cooking temperatures leave proteins more tender. Fewer spices are needed as food keeps more of its natural flavor. The low cooking temp reduces the risk of overcooking, and timing is less critical. For more information on Air Sous Vide cooking, refer to your use and care manual. Here you'll find vacuum sealing tips, food preparation techniques, and more. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.